what's your name and what's in here, man?
I'm Sean.
Okay.
It's all B2 audio.
Yep.
All right. Rage XLs, dual ones. I got a Ride 7500.
Okay.
Running on the box, 7.5 cubic feet, tuned to 40 hertz. Nice. I've got the 1000.4 powering the 6.5s and the tweeters, and the 1000.2 running the 10s.
Yes, sir.
And the noisemaker.
Very nice.
I don't really protect.
That's a big one.
I don't like it.
You don't know?
It's scrapped after this.
Really?
I got a Stetson.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. So are you wired at 0.6 or 1.3?
0.6.
0.6? Okay. Very nice.
You videoed me up at TDH.
TDA, I remember. I think, man, I got a lot of demos.
I
got a lot of demos.
I figured, I was like, this dude ain't put me on his channel yet.
I have videos for 2020 I'm still posting.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You know what, this thing is untuned.
Really?
I'm not lying. I swear. The head unit is flat. All those settings are flat. It's just run with it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I know. Hey, everybody give John a like. Thanks for watching and subscribe.
B2 Taco.
B2. There you go. Follow him, B2 Taco.
If you need box designs,
yep.
My buddy back here.
Okay. All right.
You want the windows up?
I'm ready. Do whatever's loudest. plays a little lower?
I don't really play.
Like 35, 36? Or... Like mid to low 30s? Like there you go, something like that.
Sit back and relax.
Oh, really?
You are about to get rustified.
Y'all know what, right? Let's go. No masterpiece. 10 bad bitches and they after me. One bad bitch look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dog like an athlete. Big drip, what you call it? I ride it like a jet ski. So many bad bitches, they harassing me. They like me cause I rap and be the athlete. The dog asking me, I know they mad at me. Nah, I've been a cool and I slide like it's Vaseline. West Coast shit, on time so many bad bitches, they harassing me. They like me cause I rap and be the athlete. The dog asking me, I know they mad at me. Nah, I've been a cool and I slide like it's Vaseline. West Coast shit, on time I can trampoline. Take a brick out, put it on the triple beam. I'm not from trampoline. Take a brick out, put it on the triple beam. I'm not from Canada.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me the second. I was curious your bandwidth on it. Your bandwidth is actually pretty good on it, man.
You know what? This thing is hung too.
Really?
I'm not lying. I swear. The head unit is flat. All those settings are flat. It's just run with it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Awesome. Thank you for the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
What was your name?
John.
John. Jacob.
Yes, I know.
Thanks, John. I know. Hey, everybody give John a like. Thanks for watching and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.